Are we inside the volcano?
Yep! Welcome to Mount Naveen! But where's all the glitter? Shimmer's right! This place is usually full of glitter.
That's odd. I wonder where it could have gone.
There's only one way to get to the bottom of this. By getting to the bottom of this volcano. Hop on!
I love vacuuming with a glitter vacuum because a glitter vacuum vacuums all the glitter. Keep running, Nazboo. If I can get all the glitter, I'll use it to make my potions more powerful.
Volcano, not go boom.
That's true. It would keep the volcano from erupting. And I guess all the genies will be really disappointed, won't they?
Yeah.
And that's why my plan is brilliant.
Wait a second. That sounds like... Zeta! So you've been taking all of the glitter?
Yeah.
That's right. I've been taking the glitter. I need it for my potions, which is much more important than your silly genie celebrations.
Did she just call our genie celebration silly? Yes. Rude.
I just need to vacuum up the last of the glitter, and then it will be all mine. Run, Nazboo.
Okay.
Stop, Nazboo!
Okay.
There's just one thing you're forgetting, Zeta.
I think I would remember if I forgot something.
Then you should remember that genies have the most powerful magic of all, wishing magic. And I wish all the glitter would go back where it came from.
Boom, Zara May! Third wish of the day. Shimmer and shine. Glitter back divine. No, the glitter! Yes, the glitter.
Ugh, you genies ruin everything! But I am not leaving this volcano empty-handed.
Careful, Zeta.
Oh, don't you worry about me. I'm the most powerful sorceress in Zara May's...
Wait for me. Hi.
Nazboo, do something!
Okay.
So, now that the glitter is back, Mount Naveen is going to erupt. Right? Yep. Which could be bad for those two, right? Yep.
Come on, girls, let's go and rescue Zeta.
We've got this. Let's go!
Gotta move really fast, gotta hurry and catch up out of the way. We've no time to waste, we're hot on the trail, going faster and faster. We're up and running, running, here comes the chase. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
A glitter whirlpool?
We're coming now! I've got you! Zeta, grab my hand!
Ha! I don't need help from a genie. I'm the most powerful sorceress in Zara May Falls. On second thought, maybe I could use a hand. Just this once.
Mount Naveen is about to erupt! Quick, let's get out of here! There's the opening!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.